going for work and they are working. They are studying basically. So they need to work little bit harder than people who are doing full time MBA. So ये 2 साल आप कैसे यूटिलाइज करोगे? So there is one एक तुम्हारे कॉलेज में एक मंदिर है, तुम लोगों ने देखा है कभी? तुम्हारे कॉलेज में एक मंदिर है, have you seen that मंदिर? किसने मेवना किसने देखा है? लाइब्रेरी कितने लोग जाके आए लाइब्रेरी में? कितने बुक लिए लाइब्रेरी से? अच्छा, कितने लोगों ने वो पूरे बुक पढ़े? पूरा। अच्छा, कौन सा बुक लिया था? ओके, अभी व्हाट इज योर टेस्ट? लाइब्रेरी में जाके आप कौन से बुक लेते हो? मोटिवेशनल। कौन सा बुक पढ़ा मोटिवेशनल? ओके, एनीबॉडी एल्स? ओके, और मैगजीन? ओके, बस खत्म। और कोई और कौन सी बुक नहीं पढ़ते हो? पढ़ाई के लिए भी रेफरेंस बुक तो लेते रहेंगे? पेपर। somebody said पेपर पढ़ते हैं। अच्छा, आप में से कितने लोग पेपर पढ़ते हैं? Guys, yes, please read Economic Times or Times of India daily for next 2 years. Make a habit. You will not eat if you not read paper. I am saying derogative logic. I will read paper every morning. Make habit of it, because it will give you insight into the industry, into the your business of interest. So basically, please read. Yes, number 1, newspaper. Second, please read good books. So there are many good books like Alchemist is there. There is Blue Ocean Strategy is there. The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari is there. So you can read Chetan Bhagat. Even you can read Harry Potter for that matter. Nobody is stopping you from there. Why I am saying Harry Potter? Any guesses? See, look at words and look at the creativity. When you go, if somebody is looking after for media, there is a job in creative writing also. So all the ads, all the creative, the output, the deliverables you need to give. So you need to have that kind of creativity. Those who are interested in sales, please read Alchemist. Okay, so there is one sacred place in your college, which is library. So I guess everyone have been there. Okay. Okay. Next, how many? I mean, how should I put it? Is there your कब से चालू हो गया college? So it's like August, September, October. 3 month हो गए. So groups form हुए रहेंगे. There are certain people who are going along. Okay. So in those groups, make sure every day you go to library. Number 1. Number 2. Yes.
Speaking English.
Why?
Sir, communication skills. अगर बेइज्जती हो तो भी friends में.
It's not about बेइज्जती. Probably you don't know. See, accept. क्या बोलूँ मैं यार? धीरूभाई अंबानी टर्की में जाके पेट्रोल का डब्बा उठाता था, पेट्रोल भरता था. अगर वो बोलता था वो बेइज्जती है मेरे लिए, तो व्हाट वी आर सेइंग, शायद ये हो नहीं पाता था. तो बेसिकली ये जो बेइज्जती, इज्जत है ना, इज्जत वो घर पे छोड़ के आने का. ठीक है. एंड बेसिकली सी, व्हेन यू स्पीक विथ योर फ्रेंड्स, यू आर कंफर्टेबल and you can perform really well, you know. So make sure in your group start communicating in English. Let it be. And why English? Because it is need of the hour. Okay. You should know English. And apart from that, see, anybody is interested in FMCG cells? FMCG cells. Unilever में काम करना है, PNG में काम करना है. Anybody is interested in FMCG cells? FMCG सेल्स में जाना है तो कौन सी लैंग्वेज आनी चाहिए? गुजराती. many Baniyas are Gujarati, Marwadis basically, and FMCG sir में you go to a counter और उसके साथ बात करता है, तो वहाँ पे इंग्लिश काम नहीं आएगी, बट इन कंपनी यू हैव टू कम्युनिकेट इन इंग्लिश, बट बनिया के पास जाओगे at that time you should speak in Gujarati, in his language. So look at the dynamics. So how many of you are very sure they want to do a particular job or a particular company basically you are looking at? For me it was like, okay, मुझे McKinsey में जाना है and I will be doing consulting job. I am just giving example. So is there anyone sure from this lot basically who is really sure about what he or she wants to do? Or basically you don't know क्या रहते हैं, what are the opportunities? अच्छा, फाइनेंस वाले, like you said, can you speak out very loudly? What are the opportunities in finance?
As in sectors,
Yes.
there is stock market,
Okay. Sure.
then there is banks,
Banks. Okay.
then there is insurance companies.
Okay. BFSI.
Okay. If taken on a large scale, then investment banking.
Lovely. Okay.
Also we have
You would like to go for an investment banker. You would like to become a banker, right?
if
Any. I mean, of course. Do you know what is the reason? Because investment banking is a very sort of sector. It is very brainy sector and it pays you well. Right? Next come is what you are banking, where the life is good, but it pays you moderate. Then comes insurance. Then there is one sector we missed, the companies and all. I don't know how to put it. The one who takes raise the capital, the one who looks after assets and all. So even that is one thing basically which pays you well. So anybody knows HR में कितने opportunities है? Anybody for HR? Yeah, HR में क्या क्या opportunities आती है? Okay, as well, recruitment रहेंगे, training and development रहेंगे, organization development रहेंगे. So these are the possibilities in HR. Marketing में क्या आते हैं? Marketing. Okay, marketing research, sales promotion, advertising, trade, research and development, वो तो R&D हो गया. Marketing में I'm asking. Distribution, somebody said really. Okay. Then क्या बचा? Operations में क्या आता है? True. See, now you guys know everything. Then is there anyone who is basically clear इसको क्या करना है लाइफ में? See, you wish. I wish I want to marry with Aishwarya Rai. I am very clear. I want to marry Aishwarya Rai. But वो होगा नहीं होगा, वो तो बात की बात है. It's okay. There is nothing wrong. There is nothing wrong if you don't get what you wish. Sometimes it happens. Okay. But if not, I see nobody is ready. Nobody is sure what he or she wants to do. Can we start from today? Can we start from this class? Can we start? So take 5 minutes, okay? And I want each and every guy to really think. Okay. Before that, I forgot one thing. Like I said, I want to marry Aishwarya Rai, okay? But at the same time, I forget one thing. Thing which I forget is that I am not Abhishek Bachchan. I am Ashish Patwardhan. So first of all, just try to understand yourself, and you know better. There is nobody else in the world who knows better than what you know yourself. आपको सबसे अच्छा कौन जानता है? आप ही जानते हो. Okay. So before going on 5 minutes, thinking break or thinking time, I just still want to ask this one question. What is the sound of one hand clapping?
The wedding planner.
Great. Just write down, take a pen paper, write down what you want to be and what are the qualities or the competencies. Do you all understand what is competencies? गुण क्या चाहिए? अगर उनको वेडिंग प्लानर बनना है तो वो वेडिंग प्लानर के लिए क्या क्या उनको competencies लगेगा, just jot down that. Take 5 minutes break, and in 5 minutes you should be ready with your answer. This is not rocket science. Okay? चलो. Time starts now.